Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I want to quickly talk about the most famous projects that we can create with the ASP.NET Core. So let's begin. Generally speaking, we have two main technologies or the project types of the ASP.NET Core. The first one is the MVC. The second one is the Razor Pages. Also, we have all the technologies and the project types. That is not concern of this course. So the most common and the most famous technology for creating the websites is the MVC. Indeed, this course is based on the MVC technology and how to use it to create our websites. The MVC stands for the Model, View, and Controller. The M for the model, the V for the view, and the C for the controller. So Model, View, Controller. These are three main parts of the MVC technology. Indeed, the MVC is the layer over the ASP.NET Core, and we can start working with it if we want to use the ASP.NET Core power. Despite of the MVC, we have the newer technology, and it is the Razor Pages. The Razor Pages is a kind of the update for the MVC, but it is newborn and it needs a lot of time to be famous as the MVC. So the Razor Pages is the newer and simplified web creation technology, or we can call it the update for the MVC. And which one is famous? Currently in the year 2022, the MVC is in use by the many millions of the web designers all over the world. So the MVC is really famous between the programmers. And what about the future? Indeed, I'm not the fortune teller. So based on my experiences, the Razor Pages has the really brilliant future. So what about the MVC? At the first look, the MVC, the Model, View, Controller are a little bit complex and scary. But no worries, eventually during this course, you're gonna learn how to start working with it from scratch to create the amazing and great websites. Okay, excellent. Now we know more about the main project types of the ASP.NET Core. And don't forget, there is other project types. As I mentioned, that is not the main concern of this course. Now for your better understanding, let's talk about another structure. If I take a look at this structure, here I have the ASP.NET Core or the ASP.NET Engine. And as you see over here, I have the MVC and also the Razor Pages at the top of the ASP.NET Core. So if you want to design the website by the ASP.NET Core, you have two main technologies over the ASP.NET Core to get access to all of the functionalities and power of the ASP.NET Core. The first one is the MVC and the second one is the Razor Pages. So the MVC and the Razor Pages indeed are the technologies over the ASP.NET Core. And this is really tricky note. Okay, excellent. I enjoyed it a lot. Till now we talked about the main project types of the ASP.NET Core. What about the next step? In the next step, I'm going to show you how to start working with the Visual Studio 2022 to create our first and amazing MVC website. It's time consuming, so let's talk about it in the upcoming tutorial. Thanks for your time.